Hot press machine is the center machine in plywood production line. After cold pressing and repairing process, the treated basic plywood will be sent to basic plywood hot press. It will take 5-0 minutes depends on board thickness. After hot pressing, the workers do the second time defects repairing. The board will be stored in semi-product storage hours for cooling and storage. The working condition of the hot press is directly related to the production quality of the plywood. It is especially important to choose a high-quality machine. Whole frame is made of GBQR35 steel plate or manganese steel through CNC planer processing. Franz Schneider electrical parts. Automatic high voltage low section voltage holding time control system. Waxy Sui brand oil cylinder, condensing cast iron, chrome plating surface. Weight improved oil cylinder, no oil leaking problem. Hot platen is 52毫米 thickness, thermal oil double in and out. CNC planer process and polishing, smooth surface, 0.1毫米 thickness tolerance. Uniform heat transfer, small surface temperature difference, adopts Taiwan heat valve. Kineon vane pump, Siemens motor. Sliant, dust-free, maintenance-free. Other parts all adopts GB or world-famous parts. CNC marking parts, precise and durable. Today's introduction ends here. I wish you a happy day and see you next time.